From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Alex Tomoff here for the Campus Weather Service. Here's your Friday afternoon forecast. Looking out at the Nittany Valley webcam, we can see some low-lying clouds are still lingering after these morning showers, keeping temperatures a little bit cooler here in State College. Right now, temps are about 77 degrees. Only feels like 78, but those dew points are still hanging in the low 70s here at 72 degrees. So it's very, very uncomfortable here the last couple of days, but we are expecting a change in air masses going into the latter part of the weekend. Right now, we can see visibility is about 10 miles, southwest wind at 5. Looking ahead at the radar from the past couple hours, we can see those showers work their way through State College this morning. Some other showers are still hanging around the Bradford area through the afternoon, keeping temperatures a little bit lower. You can see that here in our temperature map. These temperatures here in west of State College staying in the mid-70s, but as we look eastward, temps are already surging into the upper 80s, and even in Philly here, already at 91 degrees. So very impressive here where those heat advisories are in effect down here, certainly warranted, especially for the first part of September. Looking ahead at our future radar, we can see some showers and storms will be developing with all this heat here along the first cold front moving through the region. We can see that these will be arriving after dinner time around 7 or 8 o'clock. But as they move east throughout the rest of the night, we can expect them to weaken and taper off, leaving for a nice morning tomorrow before the football game. I'm expecting conditions to stay dry throughout the football game. However, if you have plans afterwards as the next front approaches, we can see that storm chances will increase again near the western part of PA. As we go through the rest of the night, most of these storms should be able to die off, leaving for a nice, comfortable night, and certainly some much-needed relief going into the rest of the weekend. Looking ahead at what the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, has outlined for the chance of severe weather, we can see that only a general chance of thunderstorms are likely throughout the Commonwealth, maybe a chance of severe storms in northwest Ohio, southern Michigan, and Indiana. However, the real action will be tomorrow, where the SPC has outlined a slight chance of severe storms through the 71 corridor in Ohio. So if there's any severe weather, we're expected to stay west of the Commonwealth tomorrow. Looking ahead at your forecast again for today, high is expected to be in the lower 80s, chance of storms throughout the afternoon and evening, some sun otherwise. And then into tonight, lows again staying rather muggy and warm, expecting those to be in the upper 60s. Still a possible shower or storm is expected. And then looking at your forecast tomorrow, like I said, expecting mostly sunny skies to be in the forecast for most of the game, with after the game being the problem, chance of storms is still possible overnight. And then here's your 7-day forecast. Again, recapping, the next couple of days will be the warmest of the next 7, expecting highs to stay in the mid-80s, scattered storms possible both Friday and Saturday in the evening. Clearing out Sunday, some clouds in the morning. The highs will be a bit lower in the mid-70s. Looks like a nice day to start off the week on Monday next week with highs in the upper 70s, a little bit warming up into the lower 80s on Tuesday before our next cold front approaches on Wednesday, bringing highs back down into the lower 70s. Again, it's a much needed lower humidities and lower temperatures in the outlook, so that's something to look forward to here as we go into the next week. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Alex Tomoff. Have a great day.